Imagine stepping into a car with no driver, no steering wheel, no pedals, just a smooth ride to your destination. In just 3 years, self-driving technology is set to disrupt the entire automotive industry, transform ride-sharing services like Uber and Lyft, and even change how cities are designed. But will it be a revolution or a disaster? Let's explore the future of self-driving cars and how they will reshape transportation forever. How far are we from fully autonomous vehicles? Self-driving cars have already made huge advancements, but how close are we to full autonomy? Tesla's full self-driving, FSD, continues to improve with each software update. Waymo and Cruise are already running self-driving taxis in multiple cities. Companies like Apple and Baidu are quietly developing AI-powered autonomous vehicles. In the next 3 years, we could see Level 5 autonomy, where self-driving cars require no human intervention. But this comes with major disruptions across industries. Disrupting the automotive industry car with self-driving technology advancing, car manufacturers are racing to adapt. But not every company will survive. Traditional automakers, Ford, GM, Toyota, rely on human drivers to keep car ownership profitable. But if self-driving fleets take over, fewer people will need personal vehicles. Car dealerships and auto repair shops could see a decline as electric autonomous cars require less maintenance than traditional gas-powered vehicles. Tech-driven companies, Tesla, Waymo, Cruise, are positioning themselves as the leaders of the new era. Could we see a massive shift where big tech dominates the auto industry? How self-driving cars will disrupt Uber, Lyft and ride-sharing oncoming taxi. What happens to Uber, Lyft, and taxi drivers when ride-sharing is fully automated? Uber's entire business model relies on human drivers. But what if Uber replaces all drivers with self-driving cars? AI-powered fleets could cut ride costs by 50% or more, making it cheaper than owning a car. Millions of Uber, Lyft, and taxi drivers could lose their jobs, leading to major economic shifts. Without human drivers, ride-sharing services may become fully corporate, removing flexibility from the job market. The shift to autonomous fleets will be one of the biggest labor disruptions in history. The biggest challenges ahead. Despite the potential, self-driving technology still faces major hurdles. Regulation and safety. Governments are still debating how to regulate AI-driven vehicles. Ethical dilemmas. Who takes responsibility in case of an accident? The AI. The manufacturer. Public trust issues. Will people be comfortable trusting an AI to drive their kids to school? Hacking and cybersecurity risks. Could self-driving cars be hijacked remotely? If these challenges aren't solved, full adoption of self-driving technology may take longer than expected. Final thoughts. Will self-driving cars take over? Self-driving cars are coming faster than we think. The question isn't if they'll take over, it's when. Will this be the greatest transportation revolution of our time? Or will it lead to massive job losses and economic uncertainty? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Byte-Sized AI for more insights on AI, tech, and the future of automation.